Today, we will be speaking about the Europa Clipper spacecraft. Europa Clipper is a spacecraft made by NASA to study Jupiter's icy moon Europa. Now, let's speak about the Europa Clipper's launch, its way to Jupiter, and its mission. The Europa Clipper spacecraft was made in the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory. It was launched by a rocket named the Falcon Heavy. Falcon Heavy is a rocket made by SpaceX. These things on the sides are called the side boosters. They are used to help the Falcon Heavy reach space. Falcon Heavy lifted off with Europa Clipper on it on October 14, 2024. When the side boosters are not needed anymore, they separate. The main booster also separates when it's not needed. Then, the second stage engine ignites, and the fairing separates, revealing Europa Clipper. The second stage engine gets the Falcon Heavy and Europa Clipper to Earth orbit. The Falcon Heavy is now in orbit, so the second stage engine shuts down. Then the second stage engine ignites for one last time. This will get Europa Clipper out of Earth orbit, doing a trans injection, which will send Europa Clipper towards its destination. Europa Clipper is now sent at an orbit where it will encounter Mars, so it separates from the Falcon Heavy second stage. But why will it encounter Mars? Europa Clipper will do what is known as a gravity assist, which means it will use Mars's gravity to boost its orbit towards Jupiter. Europa Clipper will also get a gravity assist from the Earth. Europa Clipper will then be sent on a 5.5 years way to Jupiter. In 2030, Europa Clipper will finally reach Jupiter. Europa Clipper will now ignite its engines in order to get to an orbit around Jupiter. After Europa Clipper gets into an orbit around Jupiter, it will start flying by Europa. Europa Clipper will fly by Europa for the first time in 2031. Europa Clipper will fly by Europa 49 times. The Europa Clipper spacecraft will not directly look for life on Europa. Instead, it will try to confirm Europa's subsurface ocean. Europa's subsurface ocean is a hypothetical ocean covered under thick layers of ice under Europa's surface. Europa Clipper's goal is to prove that the subsurface ocean exists and it has the conditions to host microbial life. Europa Clipper has cameras to create an accurate map of Europa's surface. Europa Clipper also carries a magnetometer. The magnetometer can use Jupiter's magnetic field to study Europa's undersurface ocean. This can be used to calculate its depth, its salinity, and the thickness of the ice layer. Europa Clipper has in total 9 scientific instruments to study Europa. Europa Clipper is the largest interplanetary space probe made by NASA, with a length of 6 meters and a mass of 6 tons. By the release date of this video, Europa Clipper is currently on its way to get a gravity assist from Mars. And that's the end of our video. Bye, see you next time.